ngaye Soweto. Nginawo yazi eJohannesburg angisasina asinalo ulwandle beach. And mina bengikhathele ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi masifuna ukuyolanda uzoya eDurban, uzoya eCape Town, uzoya like mina bengi-afforda angithola ukuthi ngingayi eThekwini or eCape Town. Bengi-afford ulethe eCape Town, iTheku la eJozi. Ngihamba ngayo eDubai ngayo-order inhlabathi yolwandle.
Umntwana vele bekangitshele ngine-idea yakhe ukuthi yena bekafuna ukushaya ibhishi eSoweto. Manje la ikhishi problem bekabona ukuthi kushoda isanti. Wa-order isanti eDubai. Isanti khona bekhosta boma 150 million. Yeah, it was 150 million. Ama-hectares ayingaki? I think it was 200 millicube hectares of sand. Cabanga le ile sand le emhlophe yabo le engangcolisana. Uthola umntwana isendi, organize amanzi. And mina I-understand ukuthi amanzi wathathe because sinenkinga yamanzi currently like South Africa yabo sifighta inkinga yamanzi. But umbuzi ngibona like amanzi like hey ngabona ukuthi lana eSouth Africa i-system yethu yakhona ukubhenda ama-rules yabona especially mangabe uphethe imali.